Rajdeep, I will just go across to Rahul Srivastava, but before I let you go, I just want a quick answer from you. Prime Minister is meeting the Chief Minister's 5th time in the last 48 days. Possibly this is the maximum time he has spent speaking to the Chief Minister on any issue. Does that also give you an indication that the Prime Minister also is very cautious? He doesn't want all the blame to land on his head. He would want the Chief Ministers, in fact, to share the blame of the strategy, whatever the burden may be, going forward.
2 points very quickly, Ankit. One, let's be clear. Unlike the previous meetings, on this occasion, he has allowed all Chief Ministers to speak. Previously, only a select few were allowed to speak. Number two, after the first 2 lockdowns, the Prime Minister himself addressed the nation. He didn't do so after lockdown 3.0. Now we are told possibly with lockdown 4.0 at some stage, if there is a package to be announced for industry, especially for MSMEs, then maybe at some stage we will again listen to the Prime Minister. But the Prime Minister's big challenge is exactly what you said, which is at one level, certain decisions have to be taken in Delhi, but you increasingly need to empower the Chief Ministers. And I think many Chief Ministers are getting restive. They don't want some bureaucrats sitting in Delhi to take decisions for them. That is why the Prime Minister at least needs to listen to the Chief Ministers, or at least give the perception this time that he's listening to them. And I think that's why you have a more extended meeting being taken by the Prime Minister. And we are told that during the meeting he has also praised several Chief Ministers, and therefore given a sense that this time he really wants it to be a center-state partnership.
Rajdeep Sardesai, thank you so much for sharing your views and perspective on this big story, which is going to possibly decide how your and my life is going to be impacted after, in fact, this lockdown period.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.